மாஸ் தான். நீங்கள் வேறு மெக்கானிக்கல் இன்ஜினியர்னு சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க எவ்வியில். ஸ்டேஜ் இஸ் ஆல் யோர்ஸ். ஒரு சில வார்த்தைகள் சார்.
I'm a little nervous. I cannot speak in Tamil, but I will communicate. Vanakkam, Chennai. 15 years ago, my journey with relating to Tamil industry started 15 years back. I went to AVM's office, AVM Saravanan and Guhan's office, and I pitched Leader Padam film. And I was waiting for the answer. I mean, they probably wanted to do, but I was waiting for the answer in the ground floor of AVM office. And I saw 172 films with MGR sir, NTR sir, everybody. AVM did films with everybody. Then I was standing there shivering. How will I make any film which would match that? I was so nervous, and I made Leader. Leader is for AVM. And then again now, after so many years, I'm attempting a film, and I'm very, very nervous because this film has our evergreen king Nagarjuna sir, then Dhanush, I'll talk. Dhanush, Rashmika, DSP. The only confidence about the film is the story, Kubera. Then I thought, Kubera nalla vandirka. Kubera romba nalla vandirka. Kubera romba nalla vandirka. Enna idi enna walk. That means I promise that this is going to be a very different, great film. And this is not, I'm not talking with arrogance. Arrogance matlab garvam. No, I'm not saying, I'm promising, but not with garvam. I am saying this because I have this entire team behind this. And first, Nagarjuna sir, he hasn't, 40 years of experience, big star. In Telugu, if he was here in Telugu industry, you would have seen what he is. He did it with such a grace, such a elan, that you wouldn't imagine. I put him through days, nights, guerrilla shooting in Bombay roads, staying there with me. He's given so much to this film, and it is so, and he acted like, I would say, sir, never before. The film looks so honest and beautiful when I see your performance. I am confident. I'm not garvam, I'm not arrogant. I'm confident because of him. The next is Rashmika. She's a national crush. She's a superstar. She's the best actress in India right now, topmost actress. But the humbleness she presents, the way she works, is incredible. And the words she said about kindness, I truly believe there are two persons inside, one on the screen and off the screen. But she is only one, and she's such a darling, and she acted so beautifully. And it's not a kutti role. I wanted to tell her, it is a big role, and you will see it. The next is Dhanush. Not the next. Dhanush. Like when I was narrating, I wouldn't see anybody else doing this role ever other than Dhanush. That's what I feel. And I was so afraid to narrate. When I was narrating, I was holding the phone and walking like this. He said, sir, I can't hear you properly. Then I was so nervous. What will I tell him? What is he? He's a director. He's a story writer. He's a dancer, actor, lyricist, singer. What else? Everything he has done, and it's in the short span of time, the amount of work he has done. And I would, when I narrate to him, I was feeling, what will Dhanush think? What will Dhanush think? And the greatest point about Dhanush is, when he comes to act, he just succumbs to the director. He says, tell me, sir. This, Dhanush, I cherish it to my heart. And then, one more thing that probably a lot of people know, he is a great personality, and he is not just all these as an actor and a characters. Off screen also, the way he deals with kids, his family, he balances that while acting. I'm amazed, sir. I'm amazed.
one small moment, sir. One small gift has to be given to you. So we'd like to call our producer, Mr. Sunil Narang, sir. Kind request, sir. Please join us on stage, sir.
One more thing about Dhanush is he's a one take guy. Just one take.
Yes. Sir, thank you, sir.
I call him one take.
His childlike innocence-ல ஒவ்வொருத்தரா எடுத்து டக்கு ஞாபகம் வந்து சொல்றாரு. It's so nice. Thank you, sir.